Standard 2nd, Subject EVS. Hello students, I'm Pratima Singh. In this video, we will learn a very interesting topic. Before that, I would like to ask you some question. Question 1. Which parts of body do you use for eating food?
We use hand and mouth for eating food.
Very good. Question 2. How our hands help us to do many things?
We use our hands to write and eat.
And also we use our hands to hold things, pick up things, pull, push, eat, play, and do lots of activity with our hands. Question 3. How many legs do you have?
I have 2 legs.
Yes, we all have 2 legs. Question 4. Which activities you can do with your legs?
I can jump, walk, run, swim with my leg.
Yes, very good. We can walk, jump, run, swim and do lots of activity with our legs. So, we are going to learn movements of our body. Let us learn about the body parts which help us in our movements. Let's learn movements of our hands. We have 2 arms. The arms have 2 hands joined to them. Our hands help us in many ways. We use them to hold things, draw, write, pick up things. Closing zip, doing arts, opening door, tying shoelaces. Children, we can play, eat, pull, push, clap, throw, etc. Next part of our body is leg. Let's we study about movements of our legs. We do so many activities with our legs. We are able to move freely because of our legs. We can do number of action and movement with our legs. For example, we do dance, cycling, we walk, we run by our legs. Children, you're doing skipping, jumping, kick ball, climb, etc. Now, movements of our waist. Our waist help us to bend our body in the front, backward, to the right or to the left. See some waist movement on screen. How waist move towards left, right, back and front. Next, our body part is neck. Let's learn about movements of our neck. Neck help us to turn our head. We are able to move our head up, down, left, right with the help of our neck. There are other parts of body also which help us to do many things. For example, eyes. Eyes help us to read and see around us. Our mouth helps to talk and chew our food. We can hear or listen with our ears. Let us recap what we had learned today. Movements of our leg, movements of our hands, movements of our waist, and last, movements of our neck. Children, now I'm going to ask some questions and you will give the answers. Which parts of our body we use for cycling? We use hands and legs for cycling. Children, come on, tell me how you will take care of your body. We should take care of our body by get up early in the morning, sleep early, play, do exercises, and eat healthy food on time. Here are some good habits which help us to take care of our body. Get some hobbies like painting, drawing, do work on time, listen to music, get lots of sleep, go outdoor, plan to get away, and keep a journal, reduce clutter, meditate, talk to someone, be charitable, etc. Which parts of your body helps you to bend? Our waist helps us to bend. Now we do some activity. So let us start some activity. First one, name any 5 games which you play with your hands. Carom, Ludo, cricket, chess, badminton, etc. Second one, draw and color the picture of flag and write any 5 movements of it. So, today's homework will be draw picture of hand and write any 4 movements of it. Draw any 5 body parts which you like and write movements of it. I hope you had learned the lesson very well. Thank you.